The Hosyond 8000W Spot Welder is equipped with pure copper welding needles, ensuring strong and precise welds for all your battery packs and DIY projects. With its built-in high-capacity lithium battery, this welder offers unmatched portability, allowing you to weld anywhere without the need for external power sources. The smart digital display provides real-time power monitoring, so you always know your remaining battery charge and can avoid unexpected power shortages. Featuring an adjustable output current with 9 levels, this welder offers precise control to suit different materials and thicknesses, along with the flexibility of manual or automatic welding modes. Designed for energy efficiency, the welder supports fast recharging and has low power consumption when turned off, conserving battery life for long-term use. This versatile spot welder includes a foot switch, power adapter, and nickel sheet, making it a comprehensive kit for immediate use in various welding tasks.